Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I am going to demonstrate that you can pretty much pair your lashes with any look that you've got. So I've got the Gimme lash style from ILO. It's one of my favorite looks. So let's start off first with the warm eyeshadow look. I feel like the warm eyeshadow look is a very standard look. A lot of people tend to wear these and I just really love this look. So in this one I'm also kind of doing a bit of a foxy eye look. So I am going to be using liquid liner. I tend to wear liquid liner with lashes in general. I just really like that look. I feel like it just makes the lashes look even thicker, if that makes sense. Now here are some of my favorite tips when it comes to applying lashes. Now especially if you've got a new pair of lashes, take them out of the packaging and then just bend them slightly at the base, like at the band. That way when you apply it onto your actual lash line, they sort of like bend and meld a lot better once you start applying it. I do also recommend applying mascara before applying your lashes, and if they're a bit long, trim them to size. You don't want them poking the inner corner or the outer corner. That's just really annoying. And there you guys go. That's what that looks like with the first look. Very nice, very foxy eye, one of my favorites to do. Next we've got the romantic color look. Now I feel like sometimes when people do colored looks, they try not to wear the same lashes, like the nice thick lashes, because they want to emphasize the color. I disagree. I feel like you can have a nice balance between really nice bright coloured eyeshadow and pretty much nice dramatic lashes as well, like what I tend to wear. So again, as you guys can see, more like purple pinky tones in this one, and again liquid liner, and bam, I love this one as well. Now the last look I have to share with you guys is a statement look. So this one is more for like the creative, a little bit more bold sort of like makeup looks that you tend to do. In this one I decided to use an eyeliner to serve as like my eyeshadow base. I feel like I get more of an accurate or precise application of the colour, and I had to pair this of course with a bold statement eyeliner look. I always love pairing my liquid liners with these sort of like looks, and there you guys go. That's the Gimme lash style paired with all these looks I do. I just really like this particular style. I feel like it suits my eye shape and goes really well with the eye makeup styles that I tend to go for. And there you guys go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.